Hey Queens, today we are going through a mini haul from Coach. I have 3 accessories and 1 handbag, so let's get into it. Hey, I'm Drea. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the red bell so that you are updated whenever I post new videos. But let's get into it. This is not going to be a long video at all. I have 3 small leather goods and 1 small handbag. They're all Coach items. 1 is a retail piece. 2 came from the Coach outlet, and then the handbag I got off of Amazon because it's no longer in my local store. But we're going to start with the smaller things first. So both of these SLGs from the outlet were part of the multicolored or rainbow drop. I did not get these pieces when I was in the store. Y'all remember I ended up getting the large Rowan, the leather signature Rowan in black. But I did go online afterwards because I was just thinking to myself, I need to get something specifically from this drop because the colors were just so pretty. So I grabbed 2 pieces. So we're going to get into the first one now. I ordered these, like I said, online. I don't know what's been going on lately with the online orders from the outlet, but they have been taking forever. This bag, these pieces took like a little over a week to get here. So I would have showed y'all this stuff a long time ago. It's just that it took them a minute to send it to me. So the first piece I got was a corner zip bracelet in this pretty green color. I don't even know what Coach is calling this green. Let me see if it's on here anywhere. Yeah, pale green. So they're calling this pale green, and this is their patent signature material. Now these pieces come with an additional charm attached to it, which is why I got one of these. And y'all know me, I'm a pink girly, so my initial inclination was to order the pink, but I said, girl, get something different, get something that you don't get all the time. So I decided to go ahead and get the pale green, and I'm glad I did because I'm just now realizing that this matches really well with my robe up here, which I have not gotten any SLGs for it, so I might throw this in there. But this is what the charm looks like. And it's not actually attached to the wristlet. It's attached to the little plastic thing that the tag was on. But it's just a silver heart with a multicolor stripe. Super, super cute. They could have released these as part of the rainbow collection, and I think they would have gone just fine. The only difference is with the rainbow collection, those colors were not pastels. They were more bold colors. But this could definitely have been a part of the rainbow collection too. But I just thought this was really pretty. So so it is patent leather. The C's are raised, but then there's like some texture in between the C's. I don't know if y'all can see that up close. And y'all know what the inside of these things looks like. But this is the same color on the inside as the exterior, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these little things right here. Because see, look, this is what I was talking about in the last video. It's these things right here that they stick inside of the Coach things. And these will make the security alarms go off in any store, not just the Coach store. You could be in a grocery store and the security will go off if you have this in your bag. So y'all make sure to pull these out. But this is interesting. This has something that I did not expect. It looks like, I guess because this is a patent leather piece, it also comes with a little cloth. So I'm gonna open this up. Yeah, so this is nice. So it comes with a little cloth too that you can, use, I guess, to wipe your piece down if it gets fingerprints or whatever. Since the material, I guess, is kind of reflective, I don't really see myself needing the cloth, but I think that was a nice touch that it came with it. So this is the first piece. I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic thing off and connect the charm to the actual wristlet so that it doesn't get lost. And then I can show y'all what it looks like. So see, this is what it looks like attached. Super cute. All right, y'all. So the next piece, this one, I really ordered this out of curiosity. It's not that I was super impressed with this pattern. It was just different. And I thought, you know what? I could use this in probably a few different bags. So I went on ahead and got it. And plus, I wanted something that was not signature and that was in like the regular leather. And so I got the candy corner zip wristlet. So this is what it looks like front and back. It also has a charm. Let me go ahead and get these off of here. But y'all, I don't know. I haven't counted, but my corner zip wristlet collection is really starting to get pretty big. And there's another thing that I've just recently become obsessed with Coach, and that's the Nolita 19. Now I want the Nolita. Like every time they introduce a new line, I'm wanting the Nolita to go with it, because I carried my blush Nolita 19 a couple of days last week when I was out running errands and didn't want to carry a bag. Now I've been in my Elodie now for the last couple of weeks, but there was 1 or 2 times when I pulled my corner zip, my Nolita 19 out and just dumped a few things in there. And y'all, that bag is so nice. Like, I know most people use a Nolita 19 as like you know, an SLG or a catch-all inside of a larger bag, but it really is the perfect size to use as a small bag if you really just need your phone, card case, key, and a lip gloss. It fits all of those things perfectly, and I was so impressed with it that now I'm wanting the Nolita 19 in every pattern that they offer. But anyway, this is what she looks like. So this charm is super cute. It's just like a piece of candy that's wrapped up. Super cute. Now the inside of this is like just a regular tan color, and I'm taking these things out. And I like that the strap on here is jasmine. So it's not the same color as the actual wristlet. Super cute. So this next one comes from Coach Retail, and y'all, this is the most I paid for any type of charm in a long time. And y'all have heard me say numerous times that I absolutely refuse to pay $100 for a charm, and I'm sticking to that. This was not $100, but it's still more than I would like to pay, but I just had to have this piece, y'all. This one was $50. So with that in mind, you can probably guess what it is, but let's go ahead and get into it. When I was filming the video that I just uploaded yesterday, just me and Saks, I stopped in a Coach outlet and I grabbed the charm then. And the sales associate page was there, and we had a really good chat just about, you know, Coach Retail, some of the things that I really like, some of the things that I don't like, and just comparing Coach to some of the other brands. And I had a really good time in there. I spent 30-40 minutes in Coach and had no plans on getting anything. Didn't really even film in Coach. But this particular piece right here, she wrapped it up really nice for me, as y'all can see. She always does. Always get excellent customer service at the Coach and front neck. And just like Nashville, they are starting to recognize me by face. When I'm in there, they know who I am now. So, you know, that could be a good and a bad thing. But I got the teddy bear charm, y'all. I just thought this was so freaking cute. I had to have it. And I really wanted to wear with my my large Rowan. Now, even though it has silver hardware on here, I don't care. Y'all know that I don't mind mixing metals. I've done it in the past and will do it again. But I just thought this was such a cute little piece. And so I'm going to try it on my Rowan just to see how I like it. If I don't like it on the Rowan, I got a million other things that I can put this on. But I thought this was super cute. And for me, it was worth the $50. And I keep saying that I don't want to spend, that I refuse to spend $100 on charms. And I do, but y'all know I have 2 or 3 of the mini Rowan charms. And even at the outlet, those pieces I think are like $60 or $70 something. So it's getting close. They're getting up there in price. So the last piece I got, like I said, is a bag from Amazon. And I got it off Amazon because they didn't have it in my store anymore. And so it's in this box. So y'all know the box is fairly small for a handbag. So I'm wondering if any of you can guess what it might be. And I need to grab something to open this with because I didn't grab anything. I wonder. I'm using the edge of the charm on one of these corners of the wristlets to get into this bag, because I don't know why I didn't grab a pair of scissors before I came down here to film. And I don't feel like going back upstairs. Just get in here without breaking a nail. So buying Coach bags off Amazon is almost like getting them from the Coach store, whether you're getting an outlet piece or a retail piece. I say that because they'll typically always come factory wrapped. This one, as you can see, was in a box, and it's in the Coach factory wrapping. And I'm sure by now you can guess what it is. So let me go ahead and get all this plastic off and show it to you. All right, I got enough of the plastic off. So what I grabbed was the Swinger 20 in the Rainbow Crystal signature canvas. So y'all already know that I got the Hampton Hobo, and I wanted another piece from this collection, and I waited too late to try to get it from my store. So I saw it on Amazon, so I went on ahead and grabbed it. It was available for like next day shipping. So I went on ahead and grabbed it. I'm keeping it. So let me get these tags off of here so we can just get a better look at it. Okay. So now that I've got all the wrapping off, y'all know what these pieces look like. They have an extra, they come with a charm. So this one comes with a cute leather heart charm. And then it has 2 hang tags, because this is a limited edition. So it says here, it says it on the tag. So we get in the inside. This is the 3rd swinger that I've gotten. So I have the regular size swinger in the signature denim, and that was released maybe about 3 years ago. I also got the Margot mules, the little kitten heel mules to match it. And then I got a Swinger 20 in the metallic, like a gold. It's like a quilted Swinger 20 in gold metallic. And now I have this 20 in the Rainbow Crystal signature. So this piece comes with a little chain strap. Get it here. So this is a chain strap that it comes with, just like the other Swinger 20 that I have. So we go ahead and attach this. Get the rest of the paper out of here, and I can show you the interior. Okay. So the interior is just like a tannish, brownish fabric or textile lining. It has the story patch on the back wall, and then on the front wall there's a little thing like card slots. You can get like 3 or 4 cards in here. The card slots are kind of deep, so even though it's 3 card slots, you could probably put 2 or 3 cards in each slot. But I'm going through here and pulling out all of the papers and stuff so that I don't have any security tags lingering in here when I decide to finally pull her out and wear her. But this is what she looks like, y'all. The Swinger 20. So this is super cute. So I did a video a couple of months ago, and it was talking about like bags for different occasions. And when we got to like the nighttime or going out date night bags, like I was really coming up short in that category, because even though I like small bags, I don't have a lot of like going out type bags. Like, so I think this is really cute. And I think this would be nice, like lunch date, even the evening. I don't know if this glitter and stuff, how it would look in the nighttime, you know, like if you were like in a lounge or something. But I think this size is perfect for going out. And I'm gonna really enjoy styling this bag, especially in the spring when it starts to get a little warmer and I can pull out some more pastel colors. But this is it, y'all. This is what I got. So that's all I had today, guys. I just wanted to come on here real quick and open up these pieces with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if you have any of these pieces in your collection and if you're looking forward to the drop on the 28th. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.